Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. I am out here today at the Hackmatack National Wildlife Refuge. This is a new Parks on the Air park. This is park US-12601. We're already pretty high into the 12,000s here into the parks. The Hackmatack National Wildlife Refuge spreads across Wisconsin into Illinois. I guess Illinois into Wisconsin. And here we are at the Goose Pond Corridor of the Hackmatack National Wildlife Refuge. I honestly grew up around here. I didn't know this was a thing. I don't know if this is honestly a new National Wildlife Refuge. But we can see here on the map that we have the Goose Pond Corridor, which is where we're at right now. The Tamarack Core area spreads down in through Glacial Park, which is I don't know if this is actually connected. The Greenwood Corridor, Queen Anne Prairie Core, Nippersink, the Alden Sedge, State Line Corridor, and Buffalo Head. I don't know. Yeah, so it looks like proposed refugee conservation area, proposed refugee conservation corridor, existing conservation land, non-refugee. Okay, so Glacial Park, I remember going here as a kid. So we are located at the Goose Pond Corridor, which is right up here. This is located off of County Road H, and you can see here that the people don't want you on their land because they keep writing private all around, so make sure you are following the rules because you don't want to get shot by someone who's just angry that they put a National Wildlife Refuge in their land. Whatever. Anyways, hunting and fishing sites open for migratory game bird. With all National Wildlife Refuge, just make sure you are like really being sure that you are, taking care of your stuff out here, because some of the National Wildlife Refugees, they're a National Wildlife Refugee. They're out here to protect birds and wildlife, prairie, things like that. And you don't want to jeopardize the use of these areas. And I know some of that has recently come under scrutiny through some of the people out at parks. Parks on the Air has obviously gotten much, much bigger than it has since I started making videos or started participating. And even bigger than it was during the National Parks on the Air program through the ARRL. So here we are at the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Hackmatack National Wildlife Refuge. And they want to make sure that you are not bringing in invasive species. Again, just be sure you are not going into private property if you're going to come out here and explore. But this does have a parking area right along County H, just north of Walworth. So I'm going to go ahead and set up here in the car. This is my preferred method of setting up for a lot of stuff. Is bug right here on my car. I don't know what you are, but I don't like it. I'm going to guess there's probably ticks out here. Get! I'm going to guess there's probably ticks out here, so if you're venturing, just be careful. I obviously shoes, pants, long sleeve shirt. I don't mess around. Setting up in the car is my preferred method for a lot of activations because I'm just parking. I'm not setting up anything permanent. I'm not flinging things into trees. I'm not putting things into the ground, etc. It's pretty low profile as far as activations go. Now, I will do activations in some parks, especially like Illinois Beach. There's a lot of picnic areas set up, and it's a pretty big park, things like that. Got more bugs flying around me. Where I can set up a bigger antenna and not bother anybody, and I'm pretty, again, low profile, is my way to go when I'm doing Parks on the Air activations. Yeah, it's just a personal preference. I don't mind if people come over and ask about stuff, but I also don't want to call a lot of attention to myself because I don't want to have any issues. So, just me. I'm sure a lot of people also agree. Let me know down in the comments. What's your kind of activation style? Are you pull out the trailer and set up a big time activation, which I've done, or are you a low profile? Again, I activate from the car like probably 90% of the time, I'd say. Well, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated. I'm also posting some motorcycle videos over on another channel. I'll put a link down below to that if you want to check out those videos. And I also have Buy Me a Coffee if you want to help support the channel. That way, it's always appreciated. But for now, I'm going to go ahead. I've got my Hamsticks here in the back of the car. I've got my magnet mount. I'm going to go ahead and get set up and get this park on the air and hopefully be the first activator because it's not been activated before. Alrighty, I'm set up here in the car. Almost set up. I do have my 20 amp hour Bioenno battery here. Honestly, this has been sitting on the shelf for a bit and I've used it and not recharged it. So I also have down on the ground here my 15 amp hour Bioenno just in case. I'm going to be on 20 meter single sideband. I'm going to find somewhere to set up. I'm pretty sure I have cell service out here so I can spot myself and get this park activated. I'm in Wisconsin. I have to have my appropriate Wisconsin snacks. CQ, CQ, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the air, Park US-12601. This is Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the air, Park US-12601.
Kilo Bravo 9 Victor, connect to Paul.
Kilo Bravo 9 Victor, good afternoon, 5x5, 5-5 into my park, 12601.
Roger, roger, currently a 5-5 coming this way into my park, US-1038, again, that's US-1038,
Copy 1038. You are the first contact of the first activation at this park, so it's a nice one to get on the air here.
Hey, yeah, that's a great day then, 73, have a great day at the park and put on.
Thank you. Have a good one, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Kilo 4, Alpha Delta Sierra. Good afternoon. 5x7, 5-7 in Illinois today.
Thank you very much. You're 5-7 both ways to Orlando, Florida. Over.
Roger, Orlando, Florida. Thanks for hunting today in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot. Kilo 4, Charlie Golf Yankee. Good afternoon. You're 5x7, 5-7 in Illinois today.
QSL 5-7, you're 5-9 Virginia. Thank you, Kevin. 7-3.
Copy 5-9 Virginia. Have a good one in 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Tango 4, Charlie.
The Kilo Tango 4 Zulu Golf. Go ahead.
QSL Kilo Tango 4 Zulu Golf. I have you 5-9 in Victor Alpha, Virginia.
Roger, 5-9 Victor Alpha. You're 5-7, 5-7 in Wisconsin today. Appreciate the contact in 73.
Thank you. Whiskey 4 Kilo Sugar America.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Kilo Sierra Mike. Go ahead.
Negative. Whiskey 4 Kilo Sugar America, QSL.
Roger, Kilo Sugar America. Copy. You are 5x6, 5-6 into Wisconsin today.
Roger. I got a 5-7 on you, Virginia. Victor Alpha, 73.
Thank you for Virginia and thanks for hunting, 73. The Charlie Sierra Charlie station.
Kilowatt 8, Charlie Sierra Charlie. I have you 5-7, 57 into West Virginia this afternoon.
Roger, copy West Virginia. I have you 5x5, 55 into Wisconsin today. Appreciate you hunting.
Okay, hey, thanks for the park. Have a great afternoon. 73.
Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Alpha Charlie 4, X-Ray Foxtrot.
Alpha Charlie 4, X-Ray Foxtrot. Good afternoon, 5x7, 5-7 in Wisconsin today.
I copy your 5-7 both ways. 73.
Thank you for hunting and have a good one, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Kilo Charlie 1, Golf Papa.
Kilo Charlie 1, Golf Papa. Good afternoon, 5x7 into Wisconsin today.
QSL, I have you 5-6, Massachusetts.
Copy 5-6 Massachusetts. Thanks for hunting today and have a good one, 73.
7-3, good luck. 8, November, Echo.
Thank you, 73. Kilo 8, November, Echo. Good afternoon, 5x3, 5-3 Wisconsin. Roger, Roger, copy 5-3. Thanks for hunting and have a good one, 73. The Quebec Yankee, go ahead. Copy, Kilo Charlie 1, Quebec Yankee. You are 5-1, 5-1, Wisconsin. Roger, Roger. Well, you're not moving my meter, but perfectly readable here in Wisconsin. I appreciate the contact today and hope you have a good day. Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot. The station ending Yankee, India. Roger, Roger, Florida 5, Papa Yankee, India, 5-3, Wisconsin, QSO. Roger, Roger, thank you, good DX, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot. November Whiskey 6 Echo.
Roger, you're 5-9 to November Juliet, New Jersey, QSL.
Roger, Roger, you're 5-7 into Wisconsin today. Appreciate the contact and have a good one, 73.
73.
Was there a mobile station?
November 0, Golf India mobile, Nancy 0, George Ida mobile, over.
Roger, November 0, Golf India mobile. You're 5-7 into Wisconsin today.
QSL 5-7 in Wisconsin, 5-7 also mobile in motion in Colorado. Charlie Oscar, over.
Roger, Roger, copy Charlie Oscar. Thanks for the contact.
Victor Echo 7 Delta X-ray Foxtrot, you're 5-9 here, Vancouver Island out here in the Pacific. Here's Dawn, Delta Oscar November, over.
Roger, Victor Echo 7, Delta X-ray Foxtrot. Got it that time. You are 5-7 here into Wisconsin today, and the name here is Kevin, Kilo Echo Victor India November.
Yes, Victor Echo 7 Delta X-ray Foxtrot. Can I have your name and your power, over?
Roger, Roger. The call sign here is Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, and the name here is Kevin, Kilo Echo Victor India November. QSL.
Okay, Roger, thank you. 73 is South Vancouver Island, and it's good morning to you in this afternoon there. Okay, 73s, have a good one.
Thank you for the contact today. I appreciate it. And 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Whiskey, Kilo Radio 4, Italy.
Kilo Radio 4, Italy. Good afternoon. 5-9 in Wisconsin today.
All right, you're 5-6, North Carolina, 73.
Thanks for North Carolina and thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
Charlie Victor, Whiskey Mike Delta.
Was there one with Charlie Victor in it?
Kilo Golf 2, Charlie Victor.
Copy, Kilo Golf 2, Charlie Victor. There you are, 5-7, Wisconsin.
QSL, thank you, 5-9, November Juliet, Kilo Golf 2, Charlie Victor, 7-3.
Roger, thanks for hunting in 73. The Whiskey Mike Delta station. Copy Mike Echo. You are 5-3, 5-3. And was the call sign Kilo 1 Whiskey Mike Delta?
Negative, Kilo 3 Whiskey Mike Delta, operating mobile.
Copy, there we are. Kilo 3 Whiskey Mike Delta. Copy, and I appreciate the contact today, and hopefully you have a great day.
Great activation. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot.
November 1, Uniform X-ray Alpha.
November 1, Uniform X-ray Alpha. Good afternoon. You're 5-5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Okay, very good, Kevin. Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot from November 1, Uniform X-ray Alpha. It's 5-9 in South Carolina. Over.
Roger, 5-9, South Carolina. We got you in the log there. I appreciate the contact, and hopefully we work you again soon.
All right, 7-2, nice signal today.
Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. November 9, Foxtrot, Alpha, Lima. Good afternoon. You're 5x3, 5-3 into Wisconsin today.
Thank you. Good night to you as well. 5-3 Idaho. You were stronger a little bit earlier with the QSC. Thank you, and 7-3.
Yeah, Roger. The band has really been up and down so far today, but I appreciate you sticking with it, and hopefully we'll work again soon. Have a great day, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo India 5, Bravo, X-ray Echo.
Kilo India 5, Bravo, X-ray Echo. Good afternoon. You're 5x5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
QSL, you're 5-7,
Copy, 5-7, Mississippi. Appreciate the contact today, and I'll hopefully work again soon, 73.
73.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Victor Alpha 3, Juliet, India, November. Good afternoon, 5x5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Good afternoon, you're 5-3 Ontario. Thanks for the question.
Thanks for hunting, and I hope have a great day, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Kilo, Quebec 4, Delta, November, Delta. Good afternoon, 5x5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
QSL, you're 5x8 in the Victor Alpha.
Copy, 5-8, Victor Alpha. Thanks for the contact today, and have a good one, 73. Was that Alpha Charlie 3, Lima X-ray?
Roger, Alpha Charlie 3, Lima X-ray.
Roger, you're 5x3, 5-3, Wisconsin.
I got you got a 5-3 as well here, Western Papa Alpha, Pennsylvania.
Roger, Western Pennsylvania. Appreciate the contact today, and have a good one, 73. Kilo 1, Hotel Golf. Good afternoon, 5x3, 5-3, Wisconsin. Roger, Roger. Copy, 5x5. I appreciate the contact today, and I hope you have a great day, and we work you again soon. Thank you, 73. Alrighty, so I got 58 contacts in the log. I'm pretty sure this is the first activation at this park. There's none listed in this park yet. It just, it's blank. 0 activations, 0 attempts, 0 QSOs. So, fingers crossed that we're the first ones here. Again, I'm in Wisconsin. This park does span Wisconsin and Illinois. So when I upload, I'll just make sure I put Wisconsin as the actual area there. 58 contacts in the log, including, I think we had one from France, a couple West Coast, a couple East Coast. Really spread around for 20 meters today, which is kind of cool. But glad to get this park on the air, and it's another one, a new one for me, which is cool as well. But my camera's already shut down once. The radio is now in the sun, which is getting pretty hot. I'm also getting pretty hot, so I'm going to call it here. And thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, 73.